All right, so quick update. I'm just going to switch to the GU trade. Um, this is just a buy limit new order I just placed in. The order trade we entered this morning. We entered. I think we got a 1 to 2, if I'm correct. Yeah, I think we had a 1 to 2. Just a quick recap in terms of what that trade was. So earlier in the day when we entered to look at the market analysis, I think I'm just going to okay, I'm going to cancel this order just so that you can see clearly. So our analysis initially when we entered trade this morning, London session, Thursday, August 7th, was we could tell first off that we were in a bullish trend. um, First. The other thing then did was to mark out the previous daily high. After we did that, um, we then assumed that obviously that price was going to. We then kind of projected the price was going to trade to the next level of inefficiency. Where is that? If you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, what you find is that okay, let me go back to that daily time frame. Sorry, guys. What you find is that um, there's this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap somewhere here. So if I mark this out right there, there's this fair value gap here. Excuse me. Okay, I know I'm doing. Okay, so there's a fair value gap here. So which we knew that which we predicted the price was going to trade all the way to the top and then inverts this fair value gap to continue upward. So what we did at that time was that we dropped down to the 15-minute time frame, which is where we kind of execute our trades, and then we enter the trade somewhere here. Somewhere here was where we entered the trade. Price traded lower initially before it then ran up to TP. Yes, this is where we set our TP initially, but we kind of exited the price somewhere here. So this is a good place, and this was what the buy limits I set in just now that we closed. We expect price to retrace and then trade back up, going forward. But we'll see what price does here. But that trade, we closed that trade, and we got a 1 to, I think it was a 1 to 2, close with uh, 1,000 return. Again, I mean, this is a demo. This is a demo account, so please don't sweat it. Don't start saying it's a demo. Yes, it's a demo account. I'm just still learning and perfecting my strategies to be sure that they can really deliver. So that's kind of the update on that first GU trade. If you didn't see the first video I did explaining the trade, you can go to, I put a link somewhere in the description so you can see it, and then this is the part 2 of that video. We'll see what would happen here. We'll enter the trade at the same time here. We think that we think price is still going to continue upward because there's a correlation between GBP USD and Euro USD. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Typically, there's a correlation, a positive correlation. We'll see what happens. It looks like it's going to stop us out. So why did we pick here as our stop loss? We had seen that price might have some liquidity below this point right here, and now that price has tapped into it, we expect price to now continue upward. But I mean, we'll see what happens. Price might want to trade below here, maybe. We'll see what happens. But that's the update so far. There might be another opportunity for a trade in GU, but we are not too excited to start to get into it. If it looks promising, we'll get into it. If it doesn't, I think that would be it for today then. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll give you the update on how the Euro USD trade played out. Okay, cheers.